welcome to today's video. I am super excited for today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a inspired makeup look of 5 Seconds of Summer's newest album, 5sauce5. Okay, we're going to first start with my favorite sunscreen. This is the Jafra Sun Tinted Face Sunscreen. This is SPF 50, my favorite one. I'm just going to apply it using my fingers. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just press this in. Actually, I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to go over the eyes as well. For filling in the brows, I'm going to take my LA Girl Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. And to apply it, I'm going to use my Morphe M153 brush. I'm just going to pick some up and then take some off on the lid and brush my hair, the brow hairs up, and now we can fill them in. Okay, now I'm going to take my brow pencil and fill in any of the sparse areas. Okay, now back to the face. I'm going to take my favorite foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. This one is in Soft Ivory. To apply it, I'm going to use my Jafra Beauty Blender. I'm just going to pour some of this on the blender. So now I'm going to do like thoughts on the new album. Let's see. I absolutely love the album. I don't know if I have a favorite song. I mean, all of them, all of the new songs are absolutely incredible songs, but it's kind of hard to pick just one. Yeah, I don't think I have a favorite one on the album because all of them are my favorite. Okay, now I'm going to use two concealers. So I'm going to, well, this one's not really a concealer. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Masterclass Face Palette. I'm going to take this shade in the palette. I'm going to use this shade for any blemishes that pop through the foundation. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. We're going to use that for the under eye area. And start blending it in. I like to use actually a brush to blend it in, so I'm going to use I think this is a QC Makeup Academy brush. I'm just going to kind of buff the concealer in. This is everything I'm going to use for setting underneath the eye. I'm gonna use the NYX HD Finishing Powder in Banana. Yes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in Classic Ivory. To set the face, I'm going to use the Real Techniques powder brush and just stamp the powder in. This is probably one of my favorite bronzers. I think I keep saying this on my channel. This is the Physicians Formula Powder Bronzer. Use the Morphe Face Palette. I think this is a highlight brush, but I like to use it as a contour brush, a bronzer brush. Okay, this is also my favorite blush right now. This is the Jafra powder blush in Rose Oro. I really, really like it. It's so pretty. Highlight. Where's my highlighter? Oh, here. Okay, I'm going to use the Jafra highlight stick in Bubbly. I'm going to take a Sonia Kashuk brush. We're just going to place this in the high points of the face. Okay, now we can go into the eyes. I'm going to take the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. I use this as a eyeshadow primer just because this is the travel size one, and I just use it as the eye primer anyway. A concealer. I'm going to take the concealer that we used for the blemishes. I guess I can take my finger and just kind of cancel out any discoloration on the entire lid. I'm going to set that with the NYX HD finishing powder. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And we are first going to start with Dusty Rose. In the crease. I'm going to get a little bit better mirror, actually. Kind of like, okay, now we're going to go into the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. And we are going to take the color, let's see, what was it? I think it was Jax. We're going to take the color Jax of the eye. Okay, so I'm going to place Jax in the outer third of the eye. Then with a smaller brush like this one, I'm going to take Obsessed in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And we're going to place that in the lid. Over the Obsessed eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Jafra liquid eyeshadow in, I have no idea what it is. I'm just going to place that right on top. Let's see. Now I'm going to take the color Soda Pop, which is this shade, and I'm going to do a little wing Then with this brush from Shani, this is brush number rubbed off. I'm going to take Pool Party. I'm going to apply this shade right underneath the lower lash line. Okay, I'll come back with mascara on, or with lashes on, and the other eye done. Oh, and by the way, the lashes and the other eye, it's already done. It took me a while to get the lashes on, like a long time. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to use the Jafra Matte Lipstick in the color Cupid's Kiss. I'm going to use the brush to apply it. This is the Shani brush number 10. Okay, so now it's time for the Bible verse of the day. I haven't done it right now. So this one is Romans 10:10. For with the heart one believes and is justified, and with the mouth one confesses and is saved. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys on the next one. Bye!